Well, good morning, Scott. Thanks for joining me today to give us a little bit of a insight into, I guess, your as a client. So I guess we just want to sort of cast our mind back to, I think it was 2018 or something, or 19.
When I signed up with you.
Yes.
Probably then, 2018, 19, yes.
Yeah. So just sort of thinking, what was the situation that before that? What sort of prompted you to get advice?
Oh, look, just, insurance-wise, I've always thought it's a good idea to have insurance. So, yeah, just for that reason and to cover debts in case something happened to myself from a family, etc. So,
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
the main reason.
Yeah. No, that's a pretty common theme that we. And do you remember much about the process? Did you have much knowledge about what we offered and do you recall much about that time?
Oh, look, you were very good at explaining everything to me and going through it thoroughly, which was a great help. But yeah, obviously, I sort of knew what life insurance was, etc. But having the TPD, etc., and the trauma, I think it was, yeah, that was good to get that as well. Obviously, in the end, yeah, just talking to yourself made me feel comfortable having it, and yeah, it was good.
Obviously, the results. A couple of years ago, you had a diagnosis, and perhaps if you could sort of talk a little bit to that.
Yeah, in December, I remember it, vividly. It was on the 7th of December, 2022. I went for just a routine colonoscopy and found out that I had, basically, the short of it is I had colorectal cancer, which wasn't great. And yeah, it was a big shock to the system. And then you obviously heard through the grapevine, through town, that I'd be diagnosed. So and you gave me a call, which was fantastic. And I didn't even think to contact you about it. I was sort of all over the shop at the time. But yeah, I remember when things settled down a little bit, you gave me a call and said, look, hey, Scott, you're covered for this, etc. And you came over to my house and we sat down and you went through it all with me, which was a great help. A fantastic help, so I really appreciate that. Yeah, I'll tell everyone it's worth having the insurance because you never know what could happen to, I was 10 foot tall and bulletproof. It was never going to happen to me, but it did. I thought it was everything else, but it happened to me, and thank you. Thanks for giving me insurance.
Hey, that's what I'm here for. So that was obviously I guess a bit of an impetus for change.
Well, I suppose the good thing about it was that when you come over to my place and we sat down, and I can remember that clearly. We sat down at the desk and you went through it all with me and told me what I was covered for, etc. And it was just a relief to have that security. And also, I really didn't have to lift a finger. You just did it all for me and the money appeared, and which was a fantastic sort of security for me. And that was a streamlined for myself. Yeah, which was, didn't have to make a phone call, didn't have to do anything, which was great. So thank you for that.
My pleasure. And so if somebody sitting on the fence and thinking about whether they should do it or not, what would be your advice be to them?
Do it. There's no sitting on the fence. Just get the insurance because you just never know. As I said earlier, I was 10 foot tall and bulletproof, but everyone thinks that, but it can happen to everyone, especially at our age now, so yeah, do it. Don't even second guess it. Yeah.
Very good. Well, thanks so much.
You hear that, Angus, I know, but that's the truth. You got to have it. So yeah.
No, that's great, Scott. And thank you very much for joining us this morning and giving us your time.
Pleasure. Thanks for having me, Angus. Thank you.